At Milwaukee, we don't stop caring once you've purchased our products. If you need service support for your Milwaukee tools, we promise to get you back to site with our fast and efficient professional repair service. To save time and effort, use Milwaukee E-SERVICE. With repairs carried out by qualified specialists using original spare parts and offering free pickup and drop-off. Track your repair from start to finish through a simple process. Register online. Choose your pickup and drop-off locations. Explain the failure. Confirm the repair. The tool will be picked up. Keep track of the repair online with progress notifications. Finally, your repaired tool is dropped off. Get hassle-free repairs with Milwaukee E-Servicing. Find out more online.